Hi, I'm Kevin Scribner with Forever Wild Seafood. I fished in Bristol Bay from 1980 to 2000, and since then have been working on value-added products from the salmon in Bristol Bay. I'm currently partnered with Wild Fish Marketing, which has set up the first only fair trade certified salmon operation on the planet, which is in Bristol Bay.
And I'm Susan Wheeler with the Chicago Responsible Jewelry Conference. Hi, Kevin.
Hi, Susan.
So tell us about the Pebble Mine.
So the Pebble Mine is, this is just such a potential tragic story, because the good news is Bristol Bay is probably the temple, the sanctuary of salmon on the planet. Everything is going right there. Last year we had the record number run of salmon come in, 64 million salmon. So it's just such a great celebration and success story. But it also is targeted for a gold and copper mine. And that is in the permitting process right now. And if that's allowed to be permitted and implemented, it will change that area forever in a very dramatically harmful way.
So how can you just quickly tell us the connection between what a gold mine will do to the salmon population? What's going on there?
So the gold and copper up there is, there's a tremendous amount of ore that's assayed up there, but it's very diffuse. So there'll have to be a tremendous amount of ground that's chewed up to be able to get to that ore. And then the processes that are often used, customarily used to extract gold and copper involve toxic substances, which then the leftover from that is on toxic reservoirs of the slurry, if have you, the after effect of that extraction. And you'll see these around the planet. You'll see everywhere around the planet, wherever this kind of mining is, there is that kind of toxic reservoir. And the company, the Pebble Partnership, has said that they will steward that, take care of that forever. And I've yet to see a company be able to, guarantee that they'll take care of and steward that toxic slurry reservoir forever. Because if it escapes, it's over for Bristol Bay.
So what do you want to say to people in the jewelry industry? What can we do?
So the jewelry industry, just as we're at a Fair Trade Campaigns conference, and the message here is the consumer makes a difference. The consumer completes the system, the production system. They're the final and actually critical role for the system to work. We have a seafood system, a salmon seafood system. The customer can step up and say, I buy salmon from Alaska. I buy Bristol Bay salmon. It's a critical part of my food source, and I want it to be a salmon place forever. And then also participate, if you're a metal consumer, is you can participate in the
Fair Minds,
the organizations and initiatives that Susan is working with.
A fair trade style or mannered gold, which is out there now.
Right, and we've got some great partners within the jewelry industry that have already come up and stepped out in favor of fish, salmon over the mine, because it's not that mining is inherently bad. It's just this is the wrong mine in the wrong place.
Yeah.
Let's work on other places, because it is truly a salmon sanctuary. It's a temple of salmon.
Well, great. Thank you so much. It's great for us to meet you here at the Fair Trade Conference and find out more.
Well, great, Susan. It's a pleasure. It's poignant to talk about it, but thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.